Hi, welcome to another episode of Sketchman Draws. This is Boris, and today we're going to draw Stitch. So I have to admit, I haven't seen the movie. It might be one of the Disney movies I haven't seen, but I really appreciate the design of Stitch. And as someone living in Asia, like especially Asian girls, they love cute characters and they love Stitch. So I see stickers of Stitch everywhere, almost. So I'm just going to start like by blocking down some shapes. So here, again, it's interesting to find equivalence or like something that helps you visualize. So this, for example, his head looks like a mushroom. You know, imagine you had a mushroom like this. So of course I'm not going to draw the mushroom. I'm trying to draw, but you see that shape, right? I mean, at least that's the way I interpret it. So once we have that, of course, the other let's say prominent or like really popular design characteristic is the ears. So I am, again, we have that thick form that we find in the previous Disney characters we drew, and now we have the head. So I think, yeah, I just tilted it. I don't know if you noticed, I'll just tilt it slightly to the right, and that definitely, I mean, actually, if you can dogs do that. I never had cats, so I don't know if cats do that, but dogs, like, you know, they lean the head one side, and and that definitely for a character like this establishes like a cute aspect of the character. So for the arm, again, it's like I see like two big shapes, like sort of a rounded shape, and then like a more like a bottle shape, I would say. Let me take the hard eraser because I've been painting and I was using the soft eraser. So here for his leg, I might have drawn him too big, but it's okay. I'll try to fit the. So he has like these 4 toes, if I can call them toes. We're almost there. For the fingers, I'm just doing these I would say half circles, but putting them in a way that together, and then it creates the paw, the hand, because that's what drawing is, like, especially in cartooning. Putting lines in a way that creates something interesting or something that we want to portray. So, and actually, if you, the first place that my mind went to was semicircles, but actually they're C curves, right? Like, you might have heard me mention this in my previous videos. The S curves and the C curves are something that I think you need to learn to pay attention, learn how to do it, and also learn how to recognize them in the characters you're trying to draw, because that can be really handy and can help you make the drawing process really easy. So okay, we got the for some reason, instead of putting the details on the face, I just started, I don't know, I just like to do what my mind sort of tells me to do, I guess. instead of putting too much pressure on myself and remove the fun out of drawing process, I like to have fun, and I hope that my fun becomes contagious and encourages you to draw. And also, like, I mean, I've been getting, I saw that I've been getting more new subscribers, so thank you for, if you're watching this, if you just recently subscribed, and please know that I'm at a level where I can still answer comments, because so let me know what you want to see in the future from my side. And so after Disney, I want to do like a character months, and I want to do next time Hanna-Barbera month, because well, because I just grew up on Hanna-Barbera, so, and I think more than Disney, for some reason I feel like I identify more with Hanna-Barbera TV characters, TV cartoon characters, because I think we just get to spend more time with them. Like, for example, if you have a movie, I mean, of course, with the you know, with the platform, it's going to change, but what was I going to say? But with back in the day, you know, where you could catch the Disney characters only in movies, or if you bought the DVDs that they made of like extra material, you know, you couldn't find them anywhere else. No way. So yeah, I'm actually looking forward to that. See the small smile here. I kind of brought the head a little bit down, I feel like, which is okay. I'll change the position here. But just capturing that silhouette, I think is the most important thing, because we, of course, I want the Stitch to look like Stitch, right? Like so. And the highlight. Leaving some space there to create the illusion of highlight. There you have it, Stitch. So yeah, so let me know if this was helpful, if I went too fast, because I think breaking down is the most important process of this when you're trying to draw the character, because the details that are going on there are, I'm not saying that they're not as important, but you sort of, from my experience, when I see students, when I teach students, because I've taught students who are 5 years old, 11 years old, 15 years old, 16 years old, they generally get the details. The thing that they don't get is the overall structure, right? Like, because that thing, that's a, you learn that as you draw more and more, and you can take a step back from your drawing. But when you're young, you know, like you just, and that's great. Like if you're just having fun, just have fun, because that's what's missing in the world. Like so, have fun with drawing, and if this helps you sort of, you know, get the likeness of the character you love, that's my goal. I'll be happy with that. So thank you for watching again. So please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you with another tutorial for a Disney character for Disney month. This is Boris for Sketchman Draws, signing off.